This is a portable handheld welding machine. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Let's have a closer look. It comes with this nice carrying case. In addition to the welder, you get a welding mask with shield, welding gloves, welding rods, wire brush. This is easy to grip with one hand. It is small and lightweight. There are no complicated settings. It is plug and play. You do get a dial here where you can adjust how strong it is. On-off switch. My plan is to make a steel frame, and I have this already clamped up. Good surface. I attach the spring clamp. Whoa! That worked better than I thought. The wire brush on the opposite end has a little hammerhead. Now I use the brush to clean it up a little better. I weld the other side too. Didn't get that on camera. I am very impressed. I'm pretty new to welding, but this angle iron, I was able to join these pieces at 90 degrees. I am well on my way.